Today I'm going to show you our Wiggins hose end connectors. Because they're tool free, they're a great way to couple two lines together that need a quick disconnect. Let me show you how they work. These hose ends are available in many sizes and angles. They have male and female ends on them, so make sure you get a matching pair. I've got some 90-degree samples here and some straight as well. But basically, as you can see, it's got an O-ring here, and we're going to go ahead and lube it to see the actual coupling action. So you take your female and you got your male and you basically just connect them. You hear that click? It's actually engaged. Now we can add our Wiggins connector, which basically keeps them together. It snaps together, creating a solid coupling, and if you can see here, you have a little bit of play, so you don't have a rigid line, you have some flexibility. To disconnect, you simply use your fingers to pry back on the connector and it unhooks, allowing you to simply slide out the ends. As you can tell, these are super easy to use when you need a quick disconnect. Wiggins hose end connectors are available in crimp style only and available for Ultra Pro and Ultra Flex hose and hose end families. When you need that quick disconnect, look for Earl's Wiggins hose end connectors. For all sizes and styles available, go to earls.com.